G'day, I'm Mac Daddy, Camper Trailing. Welcome back to the channel. Now it's 10 degrees here today, it's pretty cold, middle of winter, I'm stuck at home. I just thought I'd talk about a product that I saw whilst on a camping trip recently. We met up with a couple of backpackers from Bavaria, and this is what they were using. The Coleman Camp oven. On this camp oven, they were able to cook up their lasagna, some cakes, heat pies and that sort of stuff up. So I thought, gee, I'll get myself one of those. I'm just going to unbox it now and show you what it comes with. The weight of this little package in the box is just under 3 kilos. Let's just have a quick look at this and see how easy it is to set up. Okay, so let's open this box and see exactly what we've got here. Okay, so we've got a plastic bag with the instructions and a shelf in. Then we have a little camp oven. So yeah, heat indicator. And here's the camp oven itself. Fairly small, compact little unit. So we'll just undo these catches, the top and the bottom. We'll open that up. And we'll just drop the bottom. Can you see the bottom there? Drop the bottom. There's a couple little notches there. And I've got a little handle here, so we'll lift this up. Again, we're looking to go into these little notches. And we just pull this lever here, shut this lever here. So that's the camp oven set up, so we'll open up the doors. Now this is a cube, it's about 10 inches cube, so it's about 25.4 centimetres. It'll fit a 9-inch cake tray, cake thing. So we put the rack in with these little notches going into some side grooves here, side notches. So just put into those. So we could put our cakes, scrolls, warming up the pies or whatever. Camp oven on the camp stove. You can adjust the height of the shelf to whichever level you want, depending on the height of what you're baking or whatever. So you shut your door, turn the little handle, and you can turn your burner on and start to cook your product. You've got the heat indicator there to help you along the way, but every so often just check to see how it is going. So if we're going to pack it up, so we'll let it cool down. Open the door, you take our little shelf out, flip it 90 degrees, hold it to the front, and then you can start to collapse the front, door, undo the catches, lift up the back frame, fold it together, reclose the catches, put it back in the box. Be interesting to see how this actually goes on the Campfire. Can be a bit fiddly to put together, and even the catch here at times didn't really seem to secure much to my liking. But we'll give it a bit of a try as we go camping and give you a bit of feedback after we've been using it for a while. So that's it from Camper Trailing, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thank you.